I posted a video recently on how I used Canva on the PC to create tokens to use with a homeschool curriculum. I promised that I would link a video to how I used Canva for Educators to make those things. And now I'm going to show it to you. When I made that video, I was being super quiet because 1, my fancy pants microphones hadn't arrived, and 2, I didn't want to be disturbed and disrupted by some beautiful little people. This is why I was being quiet. Okay, whoa, stop. So the audio in this video that you'll hear is a wee bit quiet. I promise it'll never happen again. The children aren't going anywhere. What are they doing to the PC? So I went into Canva. So this is Canva. If you haven't got Canva for Educators yet, you're missing out because it's free. Do love me free stuff. Free homeschool stuff is my favorite. I started with a blank document like that, and then I went into photos, and then I typed in biplane. So one of the thingy-majboos that you need is a biplane. And now we've got lots of biplanes to choose from. You can have a look. Pick a good looking biplane. This is a nice looking biplane. Let's just add that. And you'll notice that it's got a plain background. And since I wanted all my backgrounds to look the same except for the rocket ship, I used a background that they will match with. But how did you make the background disappear? That is a good question. So with Canva, you can make the background disappear, which is amazing. So I've got my biplane here. Go to edit image. And over here you've got BG remover, which I can only assume BG stands for background. Background remover. It's highlighted. Click the magical button. We're having trouble with the background. Let's try that again. Clicking on the image, click somewhere else. Click there. Clicking the background remover. And then it does some magic with the little magic whirlpool. Meow. And ta-da! You have no more background. So then I can just crop that to make it a little smaller. And a little more maneuverable. Ooh, flying airplane. Move that up there somewhere. Now you need to find the background. So go to here for background. And we'll just say sky. Sky background. Oh look, lots of pretty sky backgrounds. This one looks like the one that I used. So then you can make it nice and big. Because you need it. And you can put your airplane. Oh no, the airplane's gone! Wait, bring it forwards. In the background backwards. There it is. Flying from the sky. This is beautiful. Okay, so then we also needed a helicopter. Helicopter. Start right. Here we go. Helicopter. Pick a helicopter. That looks like a nice helicopter. But look, the background is here. And then we're going to do the edit image, remove the background, be patient, whirlpool of magicness, and you will see, ta-da! Now you can make it fly around in the sky too. And you can shrink them down the size, try to make them equal size. Roughly about the same size. And then we needed a airplane. So back into photos. So we have a biplane. Oh, a jet. We needed a jet plane. I want one jet. Pick your favorite jet. This one looks lovely. Ooh, look at the pretty sky. It's gorgeous. Look, I don't want to shrink you yet. Croppity. You don't have to, but that's just the way I like to do it. Less work for the background remover, I suppose. And then wait for the magic to happen. And if you don't like the direction it is, you can pivot to make it go in the right direction that you want. Roughly the same size. It's hard when they're a completely different shape, but then there was the rocket ship. So the rocket ship is in space, obviously, not in the blue sky. So you're going to need to get the background first. So, space. Oh look, space. Beautiful. You could be, if you want some beautiful purple space, that looks pretty cool. I'm going to do that just to be different today. And, oh, there's one there from before. We'll just do that. Delete. Okay, and then we need a rocket. Okay, now all the rockets look either way too detailed or very cartoony. So I think I went for that one. That one looks a bit like that one. It's a bit cartoony for my liking, but she'll do. And even though it looks like it doesn't have a background, it does. The background is white, so we still need to remove the background. One more time with a neon. You do it with your kids, they do it, it's very cute and fun. Oh look, there we go, see, no more background. Shrink to size, pop it in there, for it to be more in the dark section than in the light section. Spaceship. Awesome, and then you just gotta make sure you space everything out, so when you're cutting, nobody's going to be too close to anything, you can keep in some space. Background's a little big. Ta-da! And then you just print that out. Try to print it to the size that you really want. So I did a test image, a test print, and it was too big. So that was with the A4 size, and so I changed it to letter, which is a smaller size, and it came out perfectly. So this is a little tip for you. Okay, so now you know how I made them on the computer. I printed them twice, glued them together, chopped them, laminated them, and then chopped them again. What the? What have you done? Undo! Undo!